white cap. Big piece of plywood right here floating in the water. Waves cresting over this. I thought it was dying down. I'm going to retract that statement and say it's probably the hardest it's been all day right now. Wow, look at that wind. Wow. I think it's changed direction slightly. Maybe the storm is starting to turn, but it is definitely not weakening. Wow, big wave just came over the crest there. Jeez, this is pretty crazy right now, actually.